Okay. Good evening, everyone. It's actually 1:45 a.m. So yeah, I'm on my way to pick up my new 330 Ci ZHP. Really excited about it, and actually I'm already about 4.5 hours in. Still have probably 6 more hours to go. Portland, Oregon is kind of far, so I'm gonna take a little bit of driving, but other than that, it's raining here as always. I guess that's normal for this time of year. Yeah, really excited about this journey. It's my first time buying a vehicle sight unseen that's not in running and driving condition, so we'll see how it goes. I got a bunch of tools with me, and let's just see, I guess. Weather is the same, it's just pouring. Rainy season now, so well, the good thing is that it's gonna be enough water for the nature. Yeah. Other than that, everything is fine. We need to stop somewhere and get a nice breakfast. Since I've been driving yesterday, so far 588 miles. Yeah, 200 miles left. Feeling good. Okay, so Copart location is literally 2 minutes away. Tired, of course, but still excited. Gonna pay for the vehicle, get all the paperwork ready, and start figuring out how can I drive it home. Well. So here's the deal. I'm driving back to Salt Lake City in a rental car. And yes, that's right. BMW that I bought is just physically not capable of driving back. I found a way how I can start the car, but there's a little thing that's just not letting me drive in this car all the way to Salt Lake City. It has a huge hole in the oil pan, so vehicle engine just doesn't want to keep oil inside. It just casually dumps it on the floor and leaves the huge puddle and all that mess. So yeah, started the car and hit the oil pan. Created a big crack in it. So that's it. That's it. But seriously though, I'm not even disappointed or I'm not even sad. I'm not even mad at me. I don't know, maybe it's foolish, maybe it's irresponsible, but I just take this as a joke and as a just part of a journey and adventure. You know, I bought several cars so far from auction and I never had any problems with it. But the one that I bought yesterday is the problematic one, so at least something, you know. Sooner or later, it should have happened to me. That's what happens when you pay cheap for the vehicle. Anyway, so what I ended up doing is I extended my rental car and switched the location from dropping this car off at Oregon. I switched the location and I'm driving it back to Salt Lake City. Pretty much the same location where I picked up the car. Yeah, and also found a way how I can get my new BMW 330 Ci with a huge crack in the oil pan to Salt Lake. So I found guys that would be able to pick it up tomorrow midday, and by Saturday I should have the car in Salt Lake.